Hey guys, I'm really excited because today is going to be my first like Christmas makeup look. This is like a look that I did a couple of years ago. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be like a kind of red cut crease, you know, some little starry kind of things, and then yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm first going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise base. When I'm filming this, it is my 3rd anniversary on YouTube. Well, actually not on YouTube, like, so this day 3 years ago is when I made SoJo Beauty and like decided to kind of make this into a thing, if you know what I mean. I was playing around with makeup a little bit more, but I was just kind of like, before this, I think I started playing around with makeup in about July or something of like 2017, but then yeah. This day 3 years ago I decided to turn it into a an actual thing and made my Instagram page, and yeah, the rest is history pretty much. But I'm going to talk about that a bit more in my actual like get ready with me video, because we're going out for tea tonight to celebrate, and I'll do like a get ready with me and do my makeup and everything, so I'll talk about that then. Okay, so I think I'm going to jump into the Carnival 3 palette today, the Love Tahiti one. And I'm gonna start with this, this is hard. I might take Bloom, I think, which is this shade here. I got my nails done the other day and I love them, they're so pretty. And I got my new camera yesterday, which I'm so excited about, because I'm doing Vlogmas this year, and it's just, this camera, I love my camera so much, but it's so hard to carry around. It is a very heavy camera and it's very big and bulky, and it works so well like in my studio, but for vlogging it's just really hard. I mean, I could have done it, but just thought, you know, it's time to invest myself in like a smaller camera so vlogging can be easier. And next year I really want to do I really want to start vlogs. I think what I'll do is start weekly vlogs until like until I can, you know, do more frequent ones. Anyway, we're going into Bloom, and I'm just gonna like put that through the crease. This is such a beautiful shade, and I'm just really gonna build this one up and just blend it out. I want to leave a little bit of room at the top because I will get a bit of a lighter colour to like blend it out as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this look, and then I have a makeup haul to film, so that should be up probably after this video. It's actually like a huge one, so if you like makeup hauls, I recommend checking out my next video, my makeup haul video. I reckon you'll enjoy that because there is just so much makeup. And then yeah, I've just got a bit of editing and stuff to do, and then I am off to my dinner, which is very exciting. Can't believe like there's like I was gonna say 2 days till Christmas. There's like 2 days until December starts. I'm so excited. I don't have an advent calendar because I opened all of mine, like doing my advent calendar unboxings and stuff, so I'm kind of sad because I want one. But I think I've bought all of the advent calendars, so like there's none that I could even, you know, use. Alright, I just want to deepen this shade up a little bit. I don't know what colour to go for. There's one called Twilight. I think I'm going to take that and just tap that kind of over the top. I just want to deepen it up just a little bit. I have no idea what kind of makeup to do for tonight. I'll probably just do something like pretty safe, if you know what I mean. I always get stressed doing my makeup like when I have to actually go somewhere, so I'll probably try and do something that's not too hard. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog tonight. I'm really excited. My camera's just charging at the moment. Well, like my camera battery is just charging at the moment, so after that's done charging, I'll start my vlog, and I'm just so excited. Like, it's I got the Canon G7X, I think that's what it's called. I got Mark II. There's like a newer one called the Mark III, but when I had a look at the reviews didn't seem as good for the Mark III, and also they only had the Mark II in stock at Harvey Norman, which is where I got it from. And like I said, I really want it for like Vlogmas, so I was like, I'll get it. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is just take all the pigment off here, and then I'm just gonna start to like blend this out. I was gonna put another shade, but I don't think I need to. I feel like this will do. So yeah, I'm just really going at the edge and just buffing it. I had such a bad sleep last night. I don't know why. It's like I woke up every 10 minutes and it was just so annoying. And then at one stage it was super hot, so I had to like get up and open my window, and yeah, I don't know, the whole, I just had a really bad sleep. Like, not a good time, so. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut my crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my crease, and now I'm gonna take the shade out of the palette called Pearl, and I'm just gonna tap that over the top of the cut crease. It's like a really pretty kind of like pinky iridescent color. Okay, so now I have to draw like some kind of snowflake things, and I'm so bad at drawing. I'm gonna take my Colourpop liner, but I kind of just want to practice. How do you draw a snowflake? Okay, wish me luck. Guys, they look awful. Oh my god, I'm so upset they look so ugly. Alright, now I'm gonna put like some little white dots on. It'll do, surely. Won't it? I feel like there's no way I'm gonna get better. Like, much better than that. Like, they look a little bit dodge, but it's still cute, isn't it? I don't know. Anyway, now I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm gonna line my crease. You know what, I might put a little bit on the start on the like snowflakes as well. Does that make it look better or worse? I can't tell. Now we have to do liner, so I can either do black or red. I just don't know. I feel like red would look really cute. Should we do red? Let's do some red liner. This is the Colourpop liner in Try Me. I'll have to give it a second coat. This liner is really struggling. I don't know if it's normal for a red liner or not, but I just feel like it's only a bit of shimmer, so it shouldn't like be that hard to, you know, but anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna clean this up, do my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not 100% happy with it, but I mean, it'll do. It's cute, I guess. Like, you just can't look too close. This side got really like messy. I tried to fix it, and yeah, so I'm not going to talk about that side, but apart from that, I feel like I'm kind of happy with how it looks. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited for December. If you have any looks or any videos or anything you want to see me do, comment them down below. Yeah, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.